So we had a gold trade, which we shared on YouTube 4 days ago. If you come to YouTube, you look for Throne Trades, you'll see 4 days ago. And we're looking for both selling and buying opportunities. The first trade we got was a sell. If you come to Throne YouTube on Telegram, this was the first trade. This is the trade and how it was analyzed. And this is the first sell trade we got. And the reason why we were sold was because of break below this area here. And then we got out. And then on Thursday, we also got a buy, which we are actually swinging to possibly these highs here. Once price reaches these highs, then we can see whether it will come back down or we'll be out of that trade. But that is it now. For now, we're going to look at BTC because we have a trading opportunity on BTC. And let me just break it down for you from the weekly. Let me clean up everything. So BTC from the weekly, this is how it looks like. And these are the possible trading opportunities we're looking at. If you can see clearly here, we had marked these as our all-time high. And then we marked these as our lows, price difference, the difference between this high and then this new low. This high and this new low is here. So according to this time frame, we're still bearish. And then we also have a low here where we will be expecting BTC to come into. So we don't want to analyze the rest. Our focus is just between here, around here for this week. So from here, you can clearly see there is no change of trend. The reason why we're saying no change of trend, because you can see here, this is a high, and then this is a lower high, and then a lower low, and then a lower low, and then possibly now a lower high here, and then to form another lower low. So there is no break of highs. So that means we're in a downtrend. So from the weekly, we can now switch to the daily. So on the daily, I want you to observe something. It's very interesting. Now, if you see there's a difference between this low and then this new high. So you see this high here, this one. If this high is broken, if the market breaks this high, and then we know that we are going to go to an uptrend. But however, as long as there's a difference between this high and then this new low, and that difference is exactly here. You see this strong candle here, it breaks these lows here. So this is an area we can mark. So now the immediate area we're going to be working with is if the market breaks above this area, then we can say we are going to go up. But as long as this area is not broken above, we still have a chance to come down to these lows here. So with that being said, we can now go to any lower time frame, whether it is 1 hour or the 4 hourly. So in that case, let's come to the 1 hourly and we try to understand how price is behaving around this area. Now, this is the price difference we marked on the daily. Okay, this one here. Let me just. So what do we observe or what do you see here? So you can clearly see here, this is in high. The market comes here, forms a high, resisted, forms a low, a lower low because there is this low, a lower low. And then from here, heads back here, is resisted again. We have a double top here. And then if you combine this, that's a triple top. And then we have a low here. So now what we want to see for us to actually trade, we want to see if the market is going to get out of this range in either by breaking above, which would cause a change of trend to head back, or it breaks below, forms a lower low, and then heads back here. And then that's where we can take a trade. Our first target would be on this low here, and then the next one down here. So right now, BTC, it's at a very good area whereby we could actually get a trade this Monday. And that can only happen when market gets out of this range here. So let's observe what will happen we are in the middle of London now. Let's see what New York session is going to do. But it's as simple as that. Price difference, resistance, your double tops, head and shoulders. That is, you don't need to complicate it. That is it. So let's see how BTC is going to play out. Above this, we are looking for buys. Below this, we will be looking for sells. And remember, on the bigger time frame, the trend has not yet changed. So let's see how BTC plays out.